here's one. It is July here in Atlanta, and I am craving something fresh and that tastes like summer. And honestly, there is nothing better than an easy entree salad. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 salads that I make all summer long. We're gonna start with my basic summer salad using all sorts of fresh vegetables like tomatoes from my garden and of course corn because it is July. And for the corn, I'm going to roast it in the broiler. You can grill it outside, but I don't have my grill going right now, so I'm just gonna cut the kernels off the corn and we're gonna stick it in the broiler. But first, let's shuck this other corn. Try to keep the corn in nice chunks if possible. Then transfer the corn to a cast iron skillet or baking sheet and broil for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is as charred or tender as you'd like it. While we wait for our corn in the oven, we're gonna prep the other ingredients. All right, so this salad also has lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, strawberries, avocado, and beans. Anything that you can get your hands on, you can add to this summer salad. Oh, and of course it's got a lot of fresh basil, but any herbs will work. It's also got a really simple vinaigrette. I'm just combining apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt, and olive oil in a jar, and shaking until it's emulsified. Our corn should be done. Our salad is all layered up. We just have to add the corn and the dressing. So let me go and grab that, and then our salad is gonna be ready to eat. Now that I've roasted the corn, I'm feeling like I should have left it raw because I love raw corn so much. But the reason I did this is I wanted to have like a little bit of that caramelized flavor from roasting it. This is one of those recipes where you can completely decide whenever you want, do I want it raw or do I want it grilled or roasted? It's gonna be great either way. But we're doing it roasted right now, and I like that it has those charred marks. Raw would just be a little crunchier. And I wanna toss this salad, but I recognize that I cannot because I put it in too small of a bowl, but it still looks pretty, so we're going for it. We're going with that. Wow, okay. Okay, she's doing her thing. Let's have some dressing. I should have used this bowl to begin with, this wooden bowl. Like, that is too small. I'm gonna wash this out. I'm totally washing this out. I can't even toss that salad. You guys, I put it in a shallow bowl so that you could actually see what I was doing, but then the bowl's too small. And I forgot I have this one. This is gonna be much better. Oh, here's another tomato. Who knew? Okay, let's update it. There we go. Ooh, there we can see it better. We can add more lettuce if we want. I am a history. Okay, this looks a lot better. It's got a proper toss. Now it is a salad that I can eat, and we can see all the different parts of it as well. Let me try to get a nice bite that has a bit of everything. I want to make sure I have some basil. Satisfying, delicious, so fresh. I feel like it hits the spot, makes you want a salad, but it's also really healthy. So you feel like you're doing something good this summer. Now, if you want to bulk it up even more, I would recommend adding some cooked quinoa to it, or even farro. If you add those grains though, just make sure that you let them cool off before you add them to the salad so they're not like mushy and soggy in there. But make it a complete meal by adding some grains, or if you're me, just serve it with some bread, some sourdough bread. That would be perfect. And that's our first salad. now we're gonna move on to my edamame salad. This one is so good, made with red cabbage, shredded carrots, and an almond lime dressing. So to start, let's steam this frozen edamame. Make sure you're using edamame that is already shelled, not in the shell, of course. It might be called mukimame at the grocery store or otherwise shelled edamame. All right, let's shred our vegetables now. All right, now we are going to prep the rest of the vegetables, starting with the bell pepper. We need half of a bell pepper, thinly sliced. All right. 2 scallions. I'm using the white part here, but you can save the green parts for garnish. And a 1/4 cup of fresh minced cilantro. Now we can make our dressing. This is an almond lime dressing. Let's start by juicing some limes, and then the dressing is gonna come together really easily. Then I'm just mincing a clove of garlic and adding almond butter, soy sauce, lime juice, maple syrup, freshly grated ginger, and the garlic to a bowl and whisk until it is smooth and creamy. Okay, now we're gonna add our edamame. Add the salad dressing, give it a toss, and voila. Okay, I love this salad, and what's even more special about this one is that it's good for meal prep because the beans and the crispy vegetables in here, they won't get soggy like a lettuce-based salad will, and it is so full of protein thanks to the edamame. It's colorful, it looks like a rainbow. It's got all the nutrients you want in there, all good stuff. And if you're nut free and you still want to make this recipe, replace the almond butter with sunflower seed butter or tahini. It'll be just as good. I'm going to sprinkle some toasted chopped almonds on top for even more texture. Let me give it a try. It's delicious. Now for my favorite salad of all times, my vegan Caesar salad, made with a creamy sunflower seed dressing. So this one is nut-free, and the dressing all comes together in a simple blender. The base of our Caesar salad dressing are these soaked sunflower seeds. They've been soaking for about 8 hours. I'm just gonna strain them, of course, to get rid of the liquid, and then add them to my blender along with the other ingredients. I'm also adding a large garlic clove, nutritional yeast, capers, vegan Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, tamari, Dijon mustard, black pepper, water, and olive oil. Blend until it's creamy. Okay, let's check this out. You can do this in a big blender, but I find that for a salad dressing, this little one is very convenient. Now, we're looking for a nice creamy texture. Of course, the problem with these little blenders is they're not nearly as powerful as my high-speed blender, but you can blend it until it's the texture that you want. Very good. It's kind of tangy, it's briny from the capers. I love this dressing so much. It really is good on anything, not just Caesar salad, like literally anything. And to be completely honest, I could definitely eat this with a spoon. For this salad, I like to do a blend of kale and romaine, but we've got to prep the kale. It's already clean, but to make it easier to chew without having to massage it for a long time, I do just want to chop it finely. And then we can add our romaine to it. And this wouldn't be an entree salad without some sort of something else, right? So we're gonna make some crispy chickpeas to go on top, and that's gonna just set it all off. These crispy chickpeas can go on top of any salad. They're so good. And to make them, we're just adding oil and a number of spices. I've got smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, cumin seeds, and oregano, and of course some salt and pepper to go on here. Give them a toss and air fry them. They're gonna get crispy, and the flavor is going to be so fantastic with all those spices. Nice and crispy. And now we can plate our Caesar, add these, and I can eat it. Ooh, hot. Beautiful salad that we are gonna have for dinner tonight. I'm really excited about all three of these. And baby Jay also loves this Caesar salad. So if you're trying to get your kid to eat more vegetables, eat salad, this is a good one to start with because it has so much flavor, and a lot of kids like that crunchy texture as well. I know mine does. All these salads are also great for summer cookouts and little potlucks and things like that, y'all. Okay, now let me have my bite. I've got to try this. This is my favorite. Did I bite it weird? Was it like, did it look funny? A few things about these salads. The summer salad, because it's made with romaine lettuce, you shouldn't let it sit with the salad dressing for long. So I recommend making this one right before you decide to eat it. The edamame salad is actually great for meal prep because it doesn't have any leafy greens in it and it won't get weird and soggy. So it can stay in the fridge for up to 5 days. The Caesar salad is somewhere in the middle. If you do want to meal prep it, I'd recommend making the dressing separately and then adding it to your salad before you eat it. But that dressing will stay fresh in the fridge for up to 5 days. Which one of these salads are you gonna try first? You can find the recipes linked in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. See you next time. Bye.